Good day, students. On this clip, we're going to be going over how to apply the slope-intercept formula and also the point-slope formula. Okay, I'm going to provide you with the steps to apply these two formulas first, and then we're going to apply them to some examples. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first example. The first formula, which is the slope-intercept formula. So these are the steps that we're going to apply. So when writing equations of lines using the slope-intercept form, first thing you want to do is write down your equation, the equation that is going to guide your whole problem-solving process, which is the slope-intercept equation. The slope-intercept equation is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay? And then what you're going to do next is you're going to find and plug in the slope and the y-intercept into your equation, and that will give you the equation in slope-intercept form. All right, let's take a look at an example. Question number 1. It says, write equation of a line with slope -5 and y-intercept 11. All right, so with this information, we know we're going to do step number 1, which is write down the slope-intercept equation. We know that m, the slope, is -5, and b, the y-intercept, is 11. So what we're going to do in step 2 is we've already found the slope and the y-intercept, so now we're going to plug them in. All right, so the -5 goes into the m spot as indicated here, and then the 11 goes into the b spot in the equation as indicated here. Okay, so that's going to give us y equals -5x plus 11. And that goes your equation of the slope of the line in slope-intercept form. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the other formula, which is the point-slope form. That's applicable to situations where you have to write equation of a line if you're given a slope and a point. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. What are the procedures for using the point-slope formula? So first thing you do is you label your points x1, y1, and the slope m. After that, you write down the point-slope equation, which is going to guide your problem-solving process. And the point-slope equation is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And then what you do is you're going to plug in m, x1, and y1 into this point-slope equation. And then you then simplify by isolating y by itself, and you're basically done. All right, let's take a look at an example. It says, write equation of a line that passes through the point A, which is 3, 6, with slope 4. All right, so let's follow the procedures here. What we're going to do is we're going to label our points, our coordinates, x1 and y1. So this is x1 and this is y1. And this is our slope m, okay? Now we've written down the equation of the point-slope form. And now we're going to plug in the values into this equation and solve for y. All right? So our x1 goes into the x1 spot in the equation, and our y1 goes into the y1 spot in the equation. And then the m is slope, which is m, is 4, so that goes right here. All right? So we'll make a substitution. What we're going to have is y minus 6, because we replaced y1 with 6, equals m is now 4 times x minus 3, because 3 is x1. All right, so we just distribute the 4 into these two terms in the parentheses. So we're going to have y minus 6 equals 4x minus 12. And then to get y isolated, we'll just add 6 to both sides. And then we'll have y equals 4x minus 12 plus 6. And our final answer is going to be y equals 4x minus 6. All right, so there you have it.